The RU, a sweetfish, Plecoglossus altivelis, is a species of fish. It is the only species in the genus Plecoglossus and family Plecoglossidae. It is a relative of the smelts and other fish in the order Osmeriformes, native to the Palearctic ecozone. It is distributed in the northwestern Pacific Ocean along the coast of Hokkaidō in Japan southward to the Korean Peninsula, China, and Hong Kong. It is amphibious, moving between marine and freshwater bodies. It can be found in local rivers and lakes. It is an introduced species in Taiwan. The name sweetfish was inspired by the sweetness of its flesh, in reference to its typical one-year lifespan. It is also written as, some individuals live 2 to 3 years. The RU is the prefectural fish of Gunma Prefecture and Gifu Prefecture. Subspecies: 2 to 3 subspecies are recognized by some authors. Others do not distinguish the subtaxa. Subspecies include P.A. altivelis, P.A. chinensis Y. F. Wu and Amp. X. J. Shan, 2005. P.A. rucuensis Nishida, 1988. Biology. An omnivore, the RU feeds on algae, crustaceans, insects, sponges, and worms. It feeds on algae that accumulates on the rocks, scraping it off the rocks with the saw-shaped teeth. This is a migratory fish. It lives along the coast between autumn and spring. It enters the rivers to breed, and while some die afterwards, many return to the ocean. Larvae are carried downriver to the sea, where they grow and develop. Some populations can be found in lakes, where they remain their entire lives. They are also stocked in reservoirs. Human uses. RU is an edible fish, mostly consumed in East Asia. Its flesh has a distinctive, sweet flavor with melon and cucumber aromas. It is consequently highly prized as a food fish. The main methods for obtaining RU are by means of fly fishing, by using a fish trap, and by fishing with a decoy which is known as RU no tomaziri in Japan. The decoy is a living RU placed on a hook, which swims when immersed into water. It provokes the territorial behavior of other RU, which assault the intruder and get caught. Japanese fishers also catch it using a traditional method, cormorant fishing, on the Nagara River, where Japanese cormorants are used by the fishermen. The fishing season draws visitors from all over the world. The Japanese cormorants, known in Japanese as umiu, are domesticated birds trained for this purpose. The bird catches the RU, stores it in its crop, and delivers it to the fisherman. RU is also fished commercially, and captive juveniles are raised in aquaculture before being released into rivers for sport fishing. A common method of preparing RU and other small fish in Japan is to skewer it in such a way so that its body forms a wave, making it look as though it is swimming. Gallery.